Good morning, children. This is grade 4 science class. We are doing revision part. Now today we'll revise block 14, air pollution. So what did we learn in this block, children? We have learned that the causes of air pollution, effects of air pollution, and reducing the ways to reduce air pollution and reducing air pollution at Taj Mahal. So these are the concepts which we have learned in this block. Now we'll see practice questions, children. So in this, you are going to revise all the questions one time and you are going to write first, fourth and sixth one. Learn it thoroughly and write one time in your classwork. We'll see that first one, how does air get polluted? How it gets polluted? From smoke from factories, automobiles and earthen chulas that are used for cooking pollutes the air. So you are going to write the cause of getting air pollution. And see the fourth one, what is acid rain and how can it cause harm? So what is acid rain? When sulfur dioxide mixes with rainwater causes acid rain. And how it affects, how it causes harm? The acid rain kills the trees in forest and damages buildings. So when sulfur dioxide mixes with rainwater causes acid rain, which kills the trees in forest and damages buildings. Now we'll see this. Now sixth one, how do trees help in reducing air pollution? The trees help in reducing air pollution by absorbing carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. So write this first, fourth and sixth one time in your classwork, children, and learn it thoroughly. Now we'll see the workbook part. Now S1, air pollution. So you have to learn all the answers from S1, children. Learn one time. Causes, effects and ways to reduce the air pollution. What are the causes of air pollution, effects of air pollution, and also suggest some ways to reduce it. So learn all the answers one time, children. Now we'll see S2, effects of air pollution. Read this paragraph one time and write first one. Summarize the causes and effects of air pollution. Also suggest ways to reduce it. So in this, you're going to, in this way you may get the paragraph and they may ask you to identify the causes of air pollution and what are the effects of air pollution and what are the ways to reduce air pollution. So causes of air pollution like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. And what are the effects? We can affect the breathing problems, especially for children. And what are the ways to reduce it? Use automobiles less and use bicycle near areas, and we will not use any earthen chulas. So from this paragraph, we are identifying what are the causes, effects and ways to reduce air pollution. So write this answer one time in your revision part. So in this way, from the table also you are going to identify what are the causes, effects of air pollution and also ways to reduce air pollution. So in this way you have to practice how to identify the causes, effects and ways to reduce air pollution from the given paragraph or table form. From S4, reducing air pollution in near Taj Mahal. So read this paragraph one time. So in the similar way you are going to learn the causes, effects and suggesting the ways to reduce air pollution. Summarize the measures ordered by the Supreme Court to reduce air pollution. So from S4 you are going to write this tabular form. So what are the causes and effects of air pollution near Taj Mahal and then what are the ways to reduce it? So write these causes, effects and ways to reduce air pollution. Okay, children. From workbook, you are going to write these two tabular forms. The causes, effects of and ways to reduce the air pollution and causes effects of air pollution and suggesting the ways to reduce air pollution near Taj Mahal. So these 2 answers you are going to learn and write, and from practice question you are writing 3 questions. Okay children, learn it thoroughly and write neatly.